Guys, part 2 of the what's it called, my thingy. I'm just not even good. I'm gonna start now. Okay, we have a mini crab, it looks like. That's cute. Okay, the pops are pretty good. We have another Laffy track. This time it's blue, if you can't tell. Hey, it's an ear. Dog ear. Okay, I'm gonna add that to the collection. Okay, now we have 2 mini pop tubes. Okay. Okay. Now, we have a bunch of different mochi. Oh, wait, no. We have one more tiny fidget. Oh. This one's cute. Okay. Next, we have a mochi, and it's a pink cat, if you can't tell. Okay. Now we have a gray cat. A yellow cat. I know there's a bunch of cats. A pink cat. Another pink cat. Okay. This fat, chubby blue cat. Okay. And this white cat. Okay. Now, you guys, since we are done unboxing everything, I'm going to get my box, and I'm going to start unboxing everything. Well, you know what I mean. I'm gonna start taking out them all, and I'm going to show you guys. We're gonna start with this. Now, I think this one's gonna be cool. Okay. Okay, yeah, look at all those mini Orbeez. I think these ones are pretty cool because the Orbeez are obviously mini, but cool. Okay, next we have this other Orbeez ball. Okay, this one's cool. I like the colors. It's like 4th of July. Okay, next we have this tomato, or sorry, strawberry. Won't come out, you guys. There we go. Oh. Okay. So it's like a white strawberry, basically. Oh, this is cool. Okay. And now we have, I think, a peach. I believe this is a peach. Let me know if I'm wrong in the comments. Oh, this one has bigger Orbeez. Okay. I like this one. Next up, we have a grape. Can't get it open. There we go. Oh, okay. This one has a good texture. Because it has like the thing of a grape. The bumps. And you can like push in this one. And it's cool. Because it feels super nice. Okay, next we have, okay, I don't know what this one is. I think this is oh yeah, it's a green pineapple, but it's super tiny. Oh, I like this one. Super tiny. I like it. Okay, next we have an orange. Or maybe an orange lemon. I can't tell. Okay, now we have the banana. I'm excited for this one. Okay, so this one doesn't have any Orbeez, I don't think. Oh, yes, it does. This one feels weird. Sounds weird, too. Oh, it has like a stain of the green. That's not good. It's like pot of pea, but it's good. Okay, next. So that was all the squishies. I'm gonna put the Laffy Tracks in there. Okay, I'm gonna put all the unboxed ones into there. We're gonna start off with the snakes. Okay. Okay, so like I said, I'm not a huge fan of snakes, but I like it just because my dad got it for me. Oh my god, you guys. There's a hair. Can you guys see that? That was the hair. Ew. But you guys, I like this one just because it's green, and green's one of my favorite colors. Okay, this is my favorite color, and it's blue. Okay, but you guys, I like this. Okay. Now, we're gonna head to these. Okay. Okay, I like these ones. I'm calling these the noodles. I don't know if they were called noodles, but they're super stretchy. And I really like the colors, except for the pink one, obviously. Well, not everyone hates pink. I hate pink. Yeah, those three colors I really like. Now we're gonna move on to the fidget spinner. This one I'm excited about because my friend has the exact same one. So, yeah. Oh, it's harder than than what she has. Okay. Okay, those were pretty good pops. I like that. Okay, now moving on to the poppets. Okay guys, I really like this one because those pops are pretty good. I don't want you guys to see the amount of trash that I have. Okay, so you guys, this one's a popsicle, as you can tell. Well, if you can tell. Okay, this one just won't pop. Okay. Okay. Okay, those pops are pretty good. Moving on to the unicorn poppets. Okay. Okay, I really like those pops. Those are pretty good. Next we have these. I forget what they're called, like I said. I'm calling them new. Okay, so this one, I really like the texture and the color because it's yellow, one of my favorite colors, and blue, my favorite color. I really like this one. And the pink, it's super stretchy as well. So yeah. Okay, now we have to open up our mochis. Okay, so I have this one. It's super soft and white, and yeah. Okay, and this one's yellow. The face kind of came off, but it's okay. This one I like because, well, it's soft. This one's face is also kind of coming off, but it's soft and cute. Same as this one. And then this one, it has like something on the back. I don't know what that is. It's like a imprint. But I hope you guys enjoy this video. Well, these videos. And make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.